attention, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
I hope you're all doing really well and you're safe and at home. I did a morning routine and a lot of you wanted to see my day, like the whole day. So I decided why not do this. Plus today is a very special day. It's my brother's birthday. You're gonna see how we celebrate a birthday when you can literally have no friends over because everybody is at home. So it's gonna be a nice fun day. And just because it's lockdown, I don't want him to feel like, you know, his birthday was not celebrated well. And also, before I start talking more about the day and what we're gonna do, I want to show you my nail paint which I applied yesterday. The past couple of days have just been so sad and so negative, so I decided to, you know, cheer myself up and do this. I also shaved my face while I was doing the self-care routine, the self-care session. I do want to do my makeup today because why not? It's a special day and it's a special occasion, so I'll do my makeup and I'll also curl my hair a little bit and, you know, we'll see how the whole day goes. Now I'm gonna do my makeup because that's super important and I can't go the day without makeup because it's my brother's birthday. Generally I would just apply like CC cream or something, but today we're gonna do a full face. Okay, so now that this is done and I also have my hair and my makeup all set in place, I'm thinking the first thing I'll do is clean my cupboard because that is a total mess. Today when I took out this top from the closet, it was just everything was falling down. So I feel like that's the first thing we should be cleaning up. Once that's done, I will have lunch because I haven't had breakfast today. I skipped it because I woke up late, but as of now, yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is clean the cupboard. And it's not a very fancy cupboard. In fact, it's like a very old vintage cupboard that my nanny was using for the longest time and then I took it. We'll get to the cleaning part now. So there is a lot of improvement. These are some plazos, some pants, jeans. Still scattered, it's still not perfect, but definitely a lot of improvement. Everyday ones, Indo-Western polo necks, basic t-shirts, fancy ones, shorts, other trousers and jeans and everything. And whew, we're done with the cupboard. Birthday boy is washing his own utensils.
I'm a man of my word.
Okay, so now that lunch is done, I've cleaned my utensils also. I feel like I need to get my college project done because printing shops will open soon and we need to get our hardbound printed. So there's a little bit of college work after which I want to compile a video for my brother's birthday. I've asked a lot of our family members to like contribute and everybody's given snippets. So I will be compiling all of that as well. But as of now, first things first, I want to get done with the project.
5 hours later.
Guys, I feel like one problem with a lot of Apple products is the chargers get spoiled so easily. I wanted to post a video today. I wanted to make some minor corrections in the video, but the charger decided to stop working. I don't know what the issue is with these chargers. I tried it with another Mac and it's still not working. So At this point, I don't know. I've ordered a charger from Amazon that I did not want to do earlier because it's not safe for the delivery boy or for anybody involved in the whole process. Try to play around with it, push it up, down. पहले चल रहा था एक हफ्ते ऐसे ऊपर नीचे करने से, but now even that's not working. So I honestly don't know what to do with it. This one's not working either, so there's literally no solution for this right now. Even Amazon has said it's gonna take 3 days, and there is a possibility for delay. They're mostly trying to get essential items out first, so let's see what happens. Okay, guys, change of plans. Instead of working, we're now going to play Uno because the laptop तो चल नहीं रहा है, तो हम Uno खेलेंगे. Yay!
Right here.
Who wants to shuffle?
Let him shuffle.
Okay. हाँ, जैसे भी करना है.
नहीं, I'm very good at this.
क्या घटिया बकवास क्या किया है? इधर दे. चलो.
Day. Month.
Uno. Guys, I won. So while I'm having Roxa, let's just talk about whatever's been happening, especially when it comes to college. In case you're not aware, I am in my final year of college. I'm in the 3rd year. And we had our farewell, and all of us, were so excited for the farewell because you know how it is. Like, when you get into college, from that very moment, you're so excited for a farewell. It's pretty normal. But at this point, I feel like everything is so uncertain. Like, I did not expect this way to, graduate from college and without seeing my friends, without, partying with them, without going out with them. One good thing that I saw yesterday on Instagram was Michelle Obama's post. She said that, all of these YouTubers are coming together and they're doing a class of 2020 virtual graduation ceremony, which I think is really nice. It's such a good initiative. There'll be Barack Obama, there'll be Mr. Kate, there will be a lot of really nice YouTubers, there'll be BTS, there'll be Lady Gaga, I believe. I'm so happy for our batch. Like, at least we're getting this, My college is doing a lot to make us feel better about the whole situation, but I wanted to wear that sari. I wanted to dance with my friends in the sari, and but never mind. We'll see what happens. As long as we're all in this together, we'll be fine. Okay, time to have my Ruabza now. Okay, here's an update. I tried again to fix the charger. It's not happening, and I really want to compile my brother's birthday video. I know I need Final Cut Pro to edit the video, and I mean, I can try doing it on my phone. I can try editing on another software, but I know I won't be comfortable, and it'll take me like a long time to figure the software out. So let's see if I can do it on my phone. Though I really wish my laptop would start working somehow. It's so difficult to not work with it. We take these things for granted. Like, now I'm realizing how much work will suffer. Anyway, if not the video, I think I will make a card for him at least. Okay, there is the card, and that is my message. Yeah, we make sassy cards for each other all the time. We don't do like love you and all. Like, I do write loads of love and everything, but we just do all sassy stuff. Every year on his birthday I do this. So also, right here is the book that I'm currently reading. This is by Daisaku Ikeda. It's Discussions on Youth. And it is such a good book because this has answers to like literally everything you will want to know. Things about friendship, about love, about work, about human rights, your personality. Part 2 also has a lot of interesting topics I'll show you. Freedom, importance of friendship, power of courage, all of these things. And this was gifted to me by a friend of mine. Hi guys, so I had a mini rant session on Instagram saying how technology just gives up anytime. Thankfully, Rupab sent me his own charger, and I am beyond oh, that's Nani.
Hi.
So Rupab sent me his charger all the way, so thank you so much. That is so, like, I'm blessed to have friends like him, dude. So now that I have the charger, I will quickly finish the birthday video, and then I will also finish my college project so that in the evening we can have fun. all the work now. College work is done. My brother's video is ready. So everything is in place now. And what I'm going to do now is just leave the camera aside, and I will. It's 5:45, so 6 o'clock, 6:15 we had to start. After this, I'll post all the videos of whatever fun we had, so you can see that. But for the most part, this is what I did today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed.
I loved it. I did not like it. I loved it. Thank you.
Are you excited for your party?
Yes, I am. कपड़े बदलते यार.
Very nice, very good. What is for dinner?
Yay, the burgers.
And we have Coca-Cola. Finally. Perfect, perfect. Really nice. And look at Candy.
Was it a photo there? I have to send it to my friends.
Okay. Alright guys, so that was about it. That was what we did, and my brothers have now gone to their room. Everybody has just gone to their own rooms, and I will just end the vlog, and I will also change, and then I will go to sleep today because it was such a tiring day. Thank God we got the charger. Thank you so much to Rupap for sending the charger. I just want to again reinforce that, you know, sometimes things don't happen our way, and it is okay. We just have to make the best out of the situation that we are in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was all over the place, but that's how my day was. It was so scattered. I was doing this and that and everything else, and my brother's birthday, and the laptop stopped working, and then I had my college stuff to do, and then I was editing the video. It was all over the place, but I hope you guys just, you know, enjoyed. And I also watched a lot of Netflix in between. If you want to know about my favorite Netflix shows and everything, I post a lot of those on Instagram, on my stories. We discuss a lot of things. I also go live very often and talk to you, so if you're interested in that, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My ID is right over here. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below telling me what your days are like. What do you guys keep doing? What's keeping you busy? Or what other video ideas you have for me? And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, because that always helps. And yeah, I will see you guys really soon. Till then, bye bye.